The 2019 Mercedes-AMG CLS53, E53 Coupe, and E53 Cabriolet replace the 43 series models. They all share an electrified 3.0-liter six-cylinder inline engine that offers 429 horsepower and 384 pounds-to-foot of torque. Mercedes claims an EcoBoost starter alternator adds an additional 21 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-foot of torque in brief spurts. The EcoBoost starter alternator combines a starter motor and alternator in an electric motor and is fitted between the six-cylinder inline engine and 9-speed transmission. It charges via an electric auxiliary compressor and an exhaust gas turbocharger that helps scoot the AMG CLS53 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds.